welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Susan. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, it's Vlogmas again. This is another episode of Vlogmas, and today I am going out. Yes, I'm going for a charity event, and I can't really say much, but I'm just going to carry you guys along and maybe do voiceovers in between. So I'm kind of late. Not I'm kind of late, I am late. So let's go. Hi guys, welcome back. This is Future Sue here with voiceover. So this year I volunteered with an organization called The Bloom Story. The Bloom Story is a charity organization that creates luxury children parties for less privileged children. Here we're sorting out their gifts, their clothes, their shoes, what they are going to put on when they come. The organization hosts 100 children every year. That's 10 children each from different homes. I've been opportune to visit a particular home twice. So last year and this year. Last year was my first time volunteering with them, but this year is my first time attending the party. So I'm in the gift team, and this is just us setting up the gift after packing them according to their homes so that Santa can give it to them according to their names. It was really a nice experience. I enjoyed myself. The children were so happy. The children from the home I visited were happy to see me, because the last time most of them complained that they didn't see me when they came for the party. It was really, really nice. The organization is owned by a lady, and we had volunteers come together to just do this for charity. We had people support with food, clothing items, gifts, money, cakes, decoration. It was really, really nice. It was a nice experience, and it was so good to see the children happy.
Party. All right, thank you. Let's go. So kids go. Volunteers remain. Let's take a
Hi guys, good evening. I just got back home. I changed, yes. So I got the Bloom party shirts. We're giving shirts. The event was so nice. This is my first time experiencing the event, but this is my second time volunteering with them. Last year I couldn't go for the party because I lost my grandpa, but the event was so nice. The children were happy. I met children from the home I visited the last time, and they had fun time together. The hall we used was for harvesters, so that was really nice. The children were happy that was like the peak of this thing, and they've been doing this for 7 years. I didn't even know. I just saw them on Instagram and decided to volunteer. That was last year when I was looking for something to do for charity. So that was last year, and this is my first time attending the party, and it was really, really nice. It was really nice. And I'm back home now. I want to just take off my jewelries and just relax, take my bath, relax. I don't know if I'll get to any other thing again, but if I do, I will let you guys know. I hope you guys like this video. I know this vlog is much better than yesterday's vlog, so we'll see how it goes. Gradually we'll get better. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying. Support me. The views will support me to keep recording, keep vlogging for you guys. So thank you.